Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the retirement of a partners. Today I will tell you about the new profit sharing ratios, gaining ratios and the difference between the gaining and sacrificing ratio. First, new profit sharing ratios and gaining ratio in the case of the retirement of a partner. As soon as a partner retires, that means leaving the organizations, the profit sharing ratios of the remaining partners get changed. Remaining partners will automatically will remain on changing. So the share of outgoing partner is distributed first, and this distributions is to be added to the remaining partners to increase their share, called as gaining ratio. And now in absence of any information, the remaining partners take the outgoing partner shares in the old profit sharing ratios. But if the mention is there, means any agreed ratios can be applied. It doesn't mean to apply the old ratio, but in absence of any information, old ratio will be considered as uh, distributions or maybe the gaining ratios. So I think listen again, when a person leave the organizations, ratio will be changed of the remaining partners and it will increase their share, called as gaining ratio. And if question is mentioning, then according to the questions, otherwise old ratios will be taken for the distributions of outgoing partner share. And the formula is leading here how to calculate the uh, profit sharing ratios, like the gaining ratio, that means the new ratio minus old ratio. So this is the formula, and now any ratio can be calculated if the one ratio is given also. So now the gaining ratio, the ratio in which retired partners share is distributed among the remaining partners is called as gaining ratio. It means when a person leaving outside the organization, cause may be retirement, cause may be death, means leaving the organizations may be called as the other partners share will be increased, called as gaining ratio. So this is the formula related with the gaining ratio. Earlier told you at the time of admission how to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Now I am moving to the difference between the sacrificing ratios and the gaining ratio. First is the meaning. The sacrificing ratio is generally applying when a person is admitting. So old partner share is going to sacrificed. So this is the meaning is referring the proportions of the old partners moving towards the new partners. And the gaining ratio is referring the portions of the retired partner shares moving towards the remaining partners. So the next is occasion. Sacrificing ratio is applied when admission is applying, any person is admitting, and the gaining ratio is applied in case of retirement of a partner. And now formula is referring the old ratios minus new ratio. So it means this is to be called as the old ratio should be more than the new ratio is called as the uh, sacrificing for the old partners. And but the gaining ratios means the new ratio will increase. The new ratio minus old ratio. It means the new ratio will increase, old ratio will remain on less side. So that means it's called, this is applied on retirement when a person is living on shares. So I think this is the concept related with the accounting treatments of calculations of the new profit sharing ratios and the sacrificing ratio, as well as the new ratio related with the retirements. Thank you.